start our discussion.
I'm Tony from the Accounting Engineering. I'm going to explain about the introduction and the problem statement which we are going to explain. Now the background. The college placements wants to develop on website where one full stack MERN website where a student can upload their resumes and can view their company opportunities and can take their jobs. And the development team faces some issues such as the manual code integration conflicts and also the deployment delays and also the bugs entering into the productions while integrating all the codes together. So here the problem statement was how can GitHub and GitHub Actions can use to improve collaboration, version control and automate deployment for a MERN Stack application which is used in the college business.
So when we are developing a large placement of application, we can face the many problems based on that we are developing a problem statement.
Hello all, I am Ritika from GitHub. So the objective of this case study is that to develop an automated development system, testing and integration system, and to have a secure management portal, to develop separate structured pages and integrate them all together to make a secure web page like the development system. So the structure of the GitHub repository is like index, main, .github and readme page. So the index page contains the front end, the server side contains the back end, .github requires the functional code and .readme has the explanation about the code. So the structure comes like main page, development page and the login verification feature which provides the authentication for a safer user login.
Based on that, we can develop any type of application.
Yes, sir. In our MERN Stack placement of project, we use to have to improve the teamwork and collaboration. First, we initialize it with the repository. That's the centralized place. Then we push the front end and back end code. In that batch, we can enable the access the current project code. Next, we use the branching strategy. In the branching strategy, every developer can create and modify features under right code like login code, login feature, task features, etc. Until much using which improves the team collaboration and reduces development time. We also create the pull request before pushing the code which we can every developers can use the code uploading their feedbacks. So usually we use GitHub to collaborate with the other developers and reduces the development time to develop a efficient product.
So based on that, we can collect many ideas and
So far we have seen about the problem statement, overview, architecture and the design phase. So coming to the coding phase, we have developed our college portal using front end, back end. Majorly we have used the MERN application. In MERN application, it is used to connect, used to write code using both front end and back end in one platform. So M stands for MongoDB, which is used to connect the databases, and E stands for Express.js, which is used to connect the front end part, and R stands for React.js, which is used to connect the back end and authentication purpose, and N stands for Node.js, which runs the runtime environment. So using this coding platform, coding structures, we can build applications and we can deploy it using GitHub. And after passing it to GitHub, we can deploy the front end in version or Netlify, and back end we can deploy it in Railway or Ember. Further, it will be explained by Sanjay.
So hello, I am Sanjay from CSC. When we are creating a MERN Stack application, we have get into the backend and then front end also. In mix of like client and server folder, or else it will be separated by front end and back end. When we are connecting into the GitHub, we just push the code into the GitHub, and many people create a branch and they will also work on it. Okay? After the main owner of the repo can get the pull request and approve the pull request and can merge the codes to the main repository. After that, we just create the deployment in Cursor, like it is a free tier, Versal or Railway. Or else we can move on to the any cloud service providers or creating a server instance like AWS or Azure or any other cloud providers, and we can able to create an EC2 instance or any web service instance, and we can also able to create a branches in that server also. After deployment, we can able to visit our website in a particular domain, or else we can able to purchase a domain, and we can be able to port for DNS forwarding the domain to domain ID with our server instance ID. After that, we can able to see our MERN Stack application into the live. So this while creating this pipeline can be called as CI/CD pipelines, which is continuous integration and continuous deployments. Even after the changes of code, we can then push it to the load, push it to GitHub, and the server can call the recent commits and get the server get the website is deployed in the live.
So finally, in any type of application using MERN, we can develop our desired